Hey there, buddy. Trying to figure out what kind of bird you are. Observations in nature. Observations in nature. This area is so remote, even though it's like right next to two major highway interchanges, that no one would even normally go in here. Unless you're mountain biking and getting some exercise like me. But this guy right here, I never seen this bird. I'm from San Antonio. What you doing there, pal? What you doing? Hey there, little guy. Hi. I ain't gonna hurt you. Don't you worry. Alright, buddy, I'll leave you alone. I just wanted to get a cool picture of you. And that's a wrap, folks.